There's no better way to start your day than either developing yourself or having a positive impact on other people. And this morning I get the chance to do both. The 10th week of the training with Mandy is done. It was an awesome training on trading statistics. Now time to get some breakfast. Let's get there. Just have to walk a couple of feet in front of the apartment to find some chicken in the street. Just pretty local, pretty cool, but that's Phnom Penh. Right now I'm heading to what's going to be probably the most local restaurant I try in Cambodia, in Phnom Penh so far. So heading there right now, we'll see what that looks like. And it's right here in front. Of course, the tradition is to boil the water first, and then they bring you like a cup of ice, glass of ice, so that makes some cool tea. I think I'm the only foreigner here, but embarrassing as always. So I ordered some pork with rice and some vegetable, really good. A little spicy also, but that's good. Feels pretty simple, but very good. All in all, I'm really happy I tried that place. Felt really local and that was really good. Now I need to go back to the apartment to charge the camera. So the battery's kind of dying right now, and I'll upload the video and then head back to a new place. These videos taking really long to upload, but look, I have Bloomberg. And that's a pretty good choice of channel, so was watching this for fun and waiting to go outside. Apparently it's 24 degrees Celsius outside. As soon as the video is done, I'm gonna go see what that looks like and try to get to the Russian market, which I tried to go earlier this week and failed, so attempt number 2.
Or whatever other arbitrary number you want to pull out of the sky, but instead it kind of seems to have drifted lower. Ironically, it may turn out that the one thing that everyone said Bitcoin needed, stability, may be the thing that kills it. When there's such stability, we've kind of been bouncing around in this kind of tight range now for several weeks. It suddenly loses all appeal as a speculative tool if it's not going anywhere.
Now, I'm not following Bitcoin that much, but I think it got a drop, and I've had many people commenting on Facebook and all these things about Bitcoin. So apparently that's actuality, but cool to have Bloomberg to let you know about Bitcoin. Oh yeah, this is really hot. So yeah, Russian market, I'll have to go to street 432 and then turn to 155. Most of the streets are numbered here, so you have to be careful with not messing up the numbers. Alright, so I think that's it. The market's right there on the left. We'll try to go around and take a look. Man, it's so hot in there, incredible. There's a lot of people, a lot of stuff also you can buy, but the weather is like really hot. 5 minutes outside and I'm already sweating as hell. It's incredible. I think there might be like a food market here at night because there's a lot of stalls with food and they're all closed right now. But I might go back here. But at night it's gonna be better for sure with the temperature. And now my lunch break or whatever afternoon break is done, I'll get back to work. The big difference is that I want to go work right now, so I'm gonna head back there, find another coffee shop and work there for the rest of the afternoon.
Thank you so much. He's
That's great. Thank you. Seriously, just brilliant.
And we'll be back with Janet Henry of HSBC. We'll talk a little bit about asset purchases by the European Central.
Alright guys, I'm waiting for a podcast interview I have in less than an hour with two blokes trading. I just opened Bloomberg and they're still talking about Bitcoin. It's pretty crazy. It seems to be the big topic for today, and people talk about coming crash and everything and all this terror. So don't be terrified about all of this. I think I told you guys in the past why I didn't want to go to Bitcoin and why that was kind of the no-go option for me. But if you went to Bitcoin, it's time to take charge and do something different. Like we said, I think that was yesterday or the day before. Whenever something happens, your job to flip this into a success story. So if you have a series of losing trade, try to flip this, try to learn something. If you invest into Bitcoin and it crash, try to flip this. And I'll tell you guys that many people that I talked to on my podcast started to trade right after the crash in 2000 or around this area. And that's the one thing that got them started and got them addicted to trading. And they went to pursue on because they fell in love with trading. So maybe that time right now is just that for you, and it's something that you're gonna get through and you're gonna get to really implement something serious in the future. So I think I'll call it today for today, and I'm gonna go do this podcast interview. It's gonna be really cool. Look forward to share some of my tips, and hopefully you guys will see the interview anyway. Not sure when it's gonna be published, but I'll try to post it on Facebook and in the Facebook group. By the way, check it out, the Facebook group. Oh my god, that was such a nice podcast, such amazing. These two guys are real jokers, it's incredible. You guys should check out their podcast. I'll put the link somewhere here. The Two Blokes Trading Podcast, awesome people. I'll be interviewing them next week for my podcast, and it's gonna be interesting. So you guys make sure you subscribe, and you'll see the interview pretty soon. I'm curious to know what they talk about on Bloomberg. Alright, I think the Bitcoin crisis is over now, so that's gonna be good for a couple of days until the next news happen and people start to complain about Bitcoin and trading, but we'll see what happens. Thanks guys for watching. Give a like to the video if you liked it today. I know it's been less of trading but more of the exploring part and the travel part, which I kind of like still. Comment below with your thought as always, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Ciao.